Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Ainon, and this is the part 2 of our landing page. To build landing page for your products, your services, to build landing page for your affiliate marketing, your mini importation. Okay, now this is the part 2 of it. If you've not watched the part 1, look at around the channel. You will see how to build landing page for your affiliate marketing or your product. You will see it, or it's going to pop out somewhere around the top here. So first watch that video, okay, before this one. Now this is the, please make sure you watch that video so you know how we got here. Okay, awesome. So this is what we have. So let's go for, let's from here, you know you know how we got here. So we want to do something quickly. So this is the landing page. Okay, this is the landing page. You remember we created SEO for this. So this is the landing page, and what we'll be doing right now is going to be editing this thing. Then I want to tell you one thing, this particular page, because I like this page, so I want to use it for other the one we are going to be creating right now. So what I'm going to do is when you log on to your backend and you are here, you are going to see all these icons. We've already edited this guy with Elementor before. So what we're going to be doing is going to click on edit with Elementor directly, and these guys should be able to edit this page with Elementor. Okay. So please, again, if you've not watched the first video, watch it so you'll be able to understand how we got here. So we are here. So what I want to show you here is when you create your page and you like the page, or you want to use the page for maybe something, other things. So you don't need to be designing over and over again. So now that we created this page, now you can see this icon. Before this update, you can see the icon says save option. So I can just click on this. You can see save template as. Save as template, then I want to click on it. Then I want to click on uh, maybe landing page. Okay, I just click save it as, I name it as landing page, then I hit on save. Then I have this saved. Okay, you can see landing page. Then I want to close this. Then, okay, thank you very much. I want to close this guy too. Then I want to close this, close this. Then this is the back end again. Then I want to create another landing page, which is my course page now. Again, the first thing you want to do, you want to create the page, the name of the page first. Now I want to give this a title called SEO or course. SEO course. Okay, that's what I want to give this guy. Then after that, I'm going to hit to publish, published, publish. So it's going to create this for me, SEO course. Okay, then I want to click on edit with Elementor. So we have this page. When we edit with Elementor, if you remember how when we first created the first one, you can see that it's still the same thing. So the first thing we did, and what we're going to do again is we want to come to these settings here. Then we want to select this page layout. Then we want to select Elementor Canvas. Then you should have a blank page here. Then I want to update this blank page. Okay. After I update this, now for me creating a new landing page from scratch, so I said you can watch that video. Okay, you can watch that video if you don't know how to create landing page, if you don't know how we got here. So now instead of me start creating landing page, so now remember that we added a template. So the template that we added, so we want to use the particular template right away. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to click on this run. Okay, instead of adding section, we want to click on that guy. Then instead of pages, we want to click on my templates. Then you can see the landing page you added before when we started this. You can see the landing page. And I want to hit on insert. Then I want to hit on yes. Now you can see what we have there. You can see we have exactly the same thing because we've saved that as templates. We just imported it here. Okay, so here now we are still going to be using some things here. Then I'm still going to be using this. So this is, I don't need this again. Okay, so I want to remove this. So I think I'm still going to use this. Now remember how we got it. Okay, how we got here. So here now I want to add video here. Video here. So remember, if you want to add item here, just come here again, come to this section. You can see video, just come here and drag it. I want you to inherit the same style with this. So that is why I want to drop it here. I want to drop the video here. Instead of me creating new stuff, creating new section that is going to be white background, I just want the video to be here. And this is exactly what I want you to do. Then the video now, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and copy this is the video. I want to copy the URL. You want to copy the URL of the video of your product you want to market or you want to promote. Then I want to come here. Then look at this pencil icon. You want to hit on it. Then I want to come here. Then I want to paste. Now this is the video. Let's see what we can do with the video. Now the first thing we want to do here is we want to say, okay, show control. You can see all this control, all this stuff. Let's not show it. Okay, let's not show the control. Okay, let's just leave it the way it is. So it's gonna be just this. You can see that guy is no more there. So let's see what we can do again. Okay, current suggestion channel. Okay, good. You have to say, don't select any video, because you select any video, it's going to show the video that you watch on YouTube. So you want to make sure that, okay, it's going to be current video channel if you are using video anyway. Then let me turn off this lazy loading thing. Now autoplay. I don't want it to be autoplay. You know, autoplay is when someone comes to this website and they start playing immediately. No, I don't want this to happen. I want someone to just click on the video and let them play the video. I think that is the best option for me. Now, image overlay. Image overlay. I'm going to show you what image overlay look like. Like there will be image here. Instead of this showing, it's going to be image instead. Then I'm going to quickly do that. Instead of this, I want to use image. So what I'm going to do is let me go here where I have the presentation. So I want to copy this. I want to copy this. Then I want to just screenshot this. I mean, screen grab this. Let me see. Okay, let me come from here. High pay skill, no one is talking about. Just come here. And I want to save this guy. Just save it on desktop. Then let's go back to my design. Then now this image overlay, you now see what that means. Then this image overlay now, if I should turn it on, then I can now come here, choose image, then I can upload image, select files. I want to go to the desktop. Okay, I think this is it. Just select this image here. But I want it to upload. Then I want to hit on insert. Okay, this is what it's going to do. You can see the image now. It's saying full. You can see it cut out some path. So I want to come here. Let me see if this will go. This will go. Let's see this. Let's see this. No way. This. So I think I will need to design new image and put it. This is actually how to use image instead. Okay. Okay. I can also do this. Let me use my picture instead. Then I put the picture here instead. Okay. Awesome. I think this look great. This look great. This look super great. So I'm going to leave it this way. I'm going to leave. You can see the image. I think this look great. So once the person hit on the play icon, then it's going to play the video. It's going to play the video. Okay, it's going to play the video, which look super interesting. So let me update this.
What if you learn high pay?
Okay, thank you. Then let me update this. Now this one now, instead of this watch this video, is the one I did the first time. So instead of this, I can now say, okay, get this course now. Okay, get this course now. So here now I'm gonna say maybe come here to edit this. Then instead of watch this video, I'm gonna say, can I say order now or buy now or get it now? Get it now. Or let me just say, oh, I don't know what to say. And if I change this later, buy now. I don't like using the word buy. Ah, okay, let me say get instant access. Instant access. I got instant. Oh, what is that? Instant access. Or let me use get access. Okay, let's use got access. I might change this later, but then I want to remove this icon. I don't need it again. This icon, if you want to remember, we uploaded this icon at the time. So if you want to remove it, just hit on none. Okay, so it will go. Once okay, get access. Now we have this, then we have updates. You can see we have this, then we have update. So here now I want to be using images, testimonial images. Okay, I want to be using image on image. Okay, then I want to come here, hit on this guy here, then I want to click on here, this one, then I want to pick on this one again, this one here. I select the first one, so it's here now. And I want to come here again. So what I want to do now is I want to use image, then I want to drop image here. Okay, then I want to start adding a lot of images here, So I'm going to come here again, come here, then upload. So I want to upload all the images I want to use. I'm going to hit on upload file. It's like testimonials of people who have worked with using the course I want to sell. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Look at this. Then I want to scroll down again. I think I have this. Okay. Then I have some testimonial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I'm okay with that. So let me open them to upload all this image to my WordPress. Okay, so they are going to upload one by one. So after that, I'm going to implement those images. I'm going to add them on the page. So you might decide to design your image from Canva if you know how to use your Canva. So you just want to fine tune the image and do it. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it as image testimonial. Okay, you can see I have several images here. Okay, I have several images here. So, okay, so it's still coming up. I want everything to load up, then I can start using images. Okay, now that the image has been uploaded, so we'll start uh, inserting this image to our page. So all you have to do is to click on this. I'm going to use this first. Then I want to click on this. So you see the image will be at the center here. Okay, so I want people to be able to see this is like a testimony, and you can see this is the what I say. Okay, to pay the total money is 1.5 million. So I mean, what I was saying this is actually correct. In fact, this is even more. So okay, so this is the first image. Then again, if I want to add more image, all I have to do is this. Come here, do this, pick no, yes, pick this guy again. You can see here, just come here to drag the image. Then I want to click here to select another image. Okay, to select another image. So I can click on this now and select. You can see I have these two images now. I have one, I have two. This is like a testimony. Okay, now if I don't want it this way, maybe for a particular reason, maybe it's too big. Let me update this and let me see how this looks, which I think is gonna look great. So for any reason you don't want it to be like that, you can actually edit them. Okay, this is the title, look good. Then okay, get access. Then like I say what people are saying. So people are saying this WhatsApp testimony, they're saying this WhatsApp testimony, which is actually great, but you might want to do something better than this. So what you can do is, let's go back here. So instead of us having this, okay, we have three sections. You could actually, is either edit them or you have them, you delete them. First one, I'm going to delete this, okay, delete. Then I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Then this one, I'm going to edit this. So, look at this now. You know, I have one section, two section, three section, and you can see this, this edit column. We have one, two, three. So the moment I delete this, I can delete it by right clicking on this, then delete. So I have two columns now. You can see two equal columns now. So here now I can now add the other image here. And what I can do is come here, click on it, then I want to drag image here, then I want to click on it again, then I select this image and I insert. So I have these two images side by side, which I think I'm cool with. So what I can do again, see, this is edit section, okay, edit section. You want to do, click on this, click on this, then I want to come to style. Then border, you want to do border here. If you remember what we did, the way we used to, we added a little bit glue under it. So we're still going to do the same thing. Then all you have to do is click on border shadow, and you can see a little bit shadow around this. Then again, you can do the same thing to this. So after this border shadow, we can even say we want to add a border, let's say solid. On this, you can see solid on this image, which I don't really like that. So you can actually remove border none. So you can add border solid. You can do a lot of things you want to do. So it depends on what you're actually doing. Exactly. So I want to leave it as none. So let's leave it border shadow. And here again, let's do the same thing with this. This, click on this. Then I want to come to style. Then I want to come to border. Then I want to just hit on this border. Boss shadow. I keep on saying border shadow. Boss shadow. So you have the two boss shadow here. Now that you have these two boss shadow here, see something here. If you don't want, I don't like how these guys are sitting. You can see they're sitting. There is no space between these two guys. So that all I can do is I can give them a little bit space between these. Okay. So how you're gonna do that is very simple. How you're gonna do that is very simple. Now, if I hit on this, you know, this element contains the two of them. So if I hit on this element, then I come to advanced. Now, if I do this, watch, very important, this, if I say padding, then I give this, let's say 10. Let's give it 20 for you to be able to see what happened. The moment I give it 30, you know, 30, top right, bottom left, you can see there is little bit space around this. You can see the space around. I don't know if you notice that. You can see there is space around this. Okay, which is cool. So that's the first thing I want to do. I want to give it space around of it. Then I want to give this what is inside. I want to give it space. I want to give what is inside space. So what you have to do is you have to click on this edit column here. So then you want to go to the advanced because we want to give this column advanced. So let's say we use 10 here. Now we add 10 to this. Look as if nothing happened. Nothing happened because it's padding and something actually happened. Okay, let's remove it. Give it back to 0. Do you notice that? Do you notice? Look at the. You see this space. Okay, let it be obvious. Let me use 30. Now you can see what I'm talking about. You can see the space, this white space here. Okay, can you see the white space? Okay, so look, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this board and look at this white space. So there's this white space. So that's what I'm talking about. So okay, uh, let's give this guy 2. They want to come to advanced. They want to give it 30. So you can see there is space between this box and this box. Okay, the content inside and this box. So what I want to do last is see this space. I want a little bit space between this box. So this is called margin. This is margin. So again, I want to click on there. So this is margin. So let's give it like let's say 5. Now I don't know if you notice this. Let's give it 10. So you'll be able to. Let's give it 20. Let's see. You can see the space between these bars. Okay, good. So we want to come here again. We want to add it to this one too. So let's give it 20. So the margin, we give the space outside. As you can see, the space outside. While the padding, we give the space inside. We give the picture we have, we give it the inside, the picture or the video, anything, any content you have, we give it the space between the object and this and this. Between the object and the container. While the margin is, we give space outside. Now, if I update this, now see how this will look. You can see this look better. This look better. You can see, look, this look better. You can see. Okay, so someone can browse through and see. You can see how neat this. So then I can now come back. So now give this title. Can I say here now, if you want to give title, you know how we do it. You just have to come here, then you want to add another section. Then you drop your title icon. Come here. Here, you can see I hit on plus icon, use to hide icon. Then I tap on this. Then I can use anyone. Let me still continue using this guy. So I click on this guy. Then after here, after you created this guy, you want to come here. Then you want to drag the title, then you want to drop. So I want to make this title to be at the center. You have to click on this to make it at the center. So I can give this title, I can say, let's say, 1,000,005. Oh, I don't know what I can do. What can I put this title to just title these two guys? Can I say, okay, for now, let me just say, what people, no, this is not what people say. Let me use n 1.5 million, 1.56 1.560 1.56 million and 3 300,000. 300,000. Okay, let me just put it this way. Let me leave it for now because there's nothing coming to my head now. So I can come down and rewrite this. So n 1.5 million and 300,000 respectively. I mean, so this I can say n 1.5 million and 300,000. Okay, I can say respectively. So that is that for these two. So now you can see if you want to give this space, you know what we do to give it space around. All you have to do is click on it, okay? Because I want to give it space at the top. So you have to come to, after you click on it, then you want to come to advanced. Advanced is where you give space, give space, do a lot of stuff here. So I give advanced, I click on this guy. So this is margin top. So if you want to give margin top, if I click on this, it will unlink them. But if you click on it, to link them together. So what you give this is going to apply to this automatically. If you have this link, what you give this is going to affect all of them. So I just want to give the margin top. So I'm going to click on this to unlink it. Then I want to give this margin top of, let's say, 30. I want to give the space between these two guys. Let me try 40. I think I'm going to use 50 this time. Okay, then that is that for this. Then if I want to style this a little bit, I come here, edit that guy, then I want to come to style, then I want to change the color to probably this color, this black color here. Then after that, I want to update this. Now you can see how good this guy is looking. How good this guy is looking. One is very professional and neat. Very professional and neat. Now that you have done this, so the job will be very easy for me. I'll just do one and make sure that, okay, you just duplicate. Now that I've done this, all I have to do again, I want to add more pictures. More pictures, okay? Then I want to edit this guy again. Then look, I've made this, okay? All I can do is, can you see this box is what contains these two guys? And I can come here, right click on it, duplicate, right click, then duplicate. So when I do that, you can see it duplicated it to two. It duplicated it to two, okay? Then here now, I'm having the same thing. What I can do here now is click on this and change the image. Click on this and change the image. Then I'm clicking on this right now. Then you want to come to, this is the image. Click on the image now. So he wants to use another image. Another image. So let me hit on this and insert. You can see this is another image. Let me hit on this again and change the image. Click and insert. You can see what this man was saying. That man said, uh, okay, I implemented something for this man. So I told the man, hey, it's going to work out. The man said, oh, okay, I trust you, Sha. I don't doubt you again. I know what you can do. Before this man, when you meet clients for the first time, they will doubt your ability to do something. But after you give them, result over and over again, you can see what the man said. The man said, I don't doubt you again. So I have this. You can see, I just added image to these guys. It's as simple as that. You can see, I have this, I have this, I have this. I can also now change the title of this, to something else. Do you understand? Then all I can do is, again, add a section here, plus, make use of this guy. Okay, so I have it. You can just come here. I want to apply this thing there. Okay, just come here, copy it, then you come here, right click, then you paste. You can see what we're just doing. We're just doing copy and paste because we've done the initial design. All you have to do is be doing copy and paste. Okay, then I paste this, then I can just pick one thing. Okay, let me see the one we can take. Let me see this one. Okay, I know what you can do. Can I say I know what you can do? Let's change that to I know what you can do. Then I know what you can do. I don't doubt you again. I know what you can do. So this is this. So I just pick this. I know what you can do. So I don't doubt you again. So then I can continue right up on this. Okay, this is what my client is saying. This is what I'm handing or something. Now let me now show you something super cool. Now that I have this, if I should have this, it's great. Everything plain and awesome. A lot of results. Okay. Then when I'm doing this, I'll be adding this get access, at the, so that when they don't need to scroll down before they will have access to, buy now. This is call to action, okay? This call to action. So what I can do this, I can also do the same thing. Maybe I want to add this somewhere here. After that two stuff, then I click on this add button. So let's say, let me use this one, this first one here. Then all I can do is I'm just coming to this guy, right click, copy, then I want to come here, then I want to right click, then I want to paste this here. You can see this, get instant access. So as the person is scrolling, they are seeing get instant access. Now look at this. I want to make it a little bit, kind of. So what you can do again, look at this guy here. If I click on this guy, you can see this guy, this is the section, so a dict section. Then I want to come to style. Then I want to come to background. Then I want to come here. Then I can actually change this background to something awesome. Look. I can change it to any color. I can change it to blue, change it to red. I can change it to something. Let me look for this color. This particular color that I use here. So how am I going to get this color? I want to use this background color that I use here. Always click on this to edit that section. I click on it to edit that section. Then you come to style again. So it's going to give style is to style things, style the font. You can see the color here. I want to come here. You can see the color code here. I'm going to copy this color code. Then I want to come to this section here. Click on this again, edit icon here. Okay. Then I want to come here, the color under style. Then instead of trying to look for the color again, I just want to paste it directly. So I'm having the same color with this. Then I'm having here. I'm having the color I'm having here. I'm having here. So then after that, I'm going to click on update. Do you see? If you're required to write content, just write it. Then let's assume that I want to add content here. I'm just the same process. Click on this plus icon. Then I want to do this box to add this section. Then let's say this time I still want to continue with this guy here. Let's tap on it. So now you can see I have them here. So what I want to add this time, always come here or click here to give you the element section. So if I click here, it's going to give you, this is what I mean. Then look at the text, okay? I can add this text here. Then I can just give this title if I want to. Let me first type here. I can say, okay, I implemented comment. Then I have this. Okay, I have these guys. Okay, now I can now add another image to this. Okay, I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, let's do that. So then this is the text. I'm going to click on style. Then typography. Just hit on it. Then you want to try thing. Let's say 18. Let's say it looks. Let's say 20. I think this 20 is good enough. Okay. Then I can now say, okay, here I want to add maybe another title to this. Okay, let me see. Then you can either add the section, but I still want to maintain this content here. Then I can just come here and just drag it on the, you can see on the. Now you can see how I want to give a title, how I save this company 1.9 million naira on adverts. 9 million naira on adverts or advertisement. So I have this. So what I can do here is, to style this a little bit again. I just want to change the color to click on the style. Okay. Then the color always you can change to black. I just want to do consistent color, consistent black. Then use the color again black. Okay, use the color again black. If I don't get exact color, all I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this the way I did for the above, then copy the color. Then I want to paste it here. Then when I have this, so I can do after that, then I can come to content. Then I can put it at the center. Okay, when I have this at the center, I can do a lot of things here. Let me touch another thing here. This is text shadow. I can make it a little bit. You can see this text shadow here. I can actually change the color that I want. Let me try and use this yellow stuff here. You can see this guy. Then if I adjust this guy to deep in, like deep the color, if I pick this yellow, you can see. But I don't want something that will look too childish. I just want simple and professional design, and that is exactly what I want to show you. And here again, I can change the font. If you come to typography, then you want to change from Roboto to other, other fonts, other font of your choice. Just click on this icon here. Okay, click here. It will going to give you a lot of font family. So if I select it, can you see? Oh, and I like this. Oh, no, I don't. I don't. So let me see. A lot of things. Let's see the bottom one. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I think I like this, and I'm going to convert all the content to this. You can see how I save this. This company, so this. You can see this. So you can see transform. You can see style default. I can change this to what is it called? Or what is it called? Italic to bend it a little bit. Okay. I can change this to this oblique. Okay. You can see. You can see. I can change it to what is it called? Default. Normal and default is normal. Look at transform. Okay. I can bring it to uppercase, capitalize, so everything will be in capital. I can change it to uppercase and lowercase. Let's go back to default. The text decoration, this is decoration. I can come here to underline it. You see, it's going to underline this guy. You can do overline, then you can do line through. Line through is maybe you want to cancel the price. You don't want to use your own new price, okay? So I'm going to do none for now. Then after this now, let's say under it now, how I save this company 1.9 million naira on adverts. Then I want to add image of what actually happened here. So I want to come here. I want to use this guy again. Then I want to come here. Then I want to drag image here. Okay. Again, now click on the image here. Then I want to look for that image where I actually save that guy's search money. So I'm looking for that image. I think let me look for it. Is it? I think it's this one. Okay, this is it. This is it. Can you see? They got 12,700 click, spending 0 naira. So this is it here. Okay. Now as you can see this guy, so I can just do the same thing. Always make your stuff neat. Click on this guy, this icon here. Just click on here. Okay, you want to go to solid. Don't just put something plain and plain and plain. Try at least a little bit, make it nice. Okay, then this border, at least use this border, make just give that kind of nice style. Then click on this bow shadow. You can see it pops up. It pops up, pops up. Okay, and if it's too close to this guy, all you can do is just click on this guy a little bit. Then you want to give it margin top, margin top. I think you should know this by now. Then first of all, you want to unlink it. Then you want to give it margin top. Let's say 30. You can see, give it space a little bit, push it up a little bit. Then I have it update. Now let's see how this guy looks. You can see how it looks. You can see how this guy looks. Okay, we have the video. We have the get instant access, maybe purchase now. So when they watch this video, they get instant access maybe to your product, or if it is your WhatsApp, they get instant access to this. Then they now come down a little bit. You can see, you can show them about the picture about the product. I know what you can do. Okay, then I can still style this a little bit more, add some things, maybe what clients are saying. I know what you can do. Then get access again. Then I write content of this about this information. So I write content about this information again. Then after that, how I save this company this on advert. Then I show this. I can do some calculation because this is like, let's say, average of 150 naira per clicks. If you have to spend advert targeting Nigeria, and if you're not targeting Nigeria, this is kind of expensive. So this is it here. Then I can add another one. I have saved this company 1.5. Okay. Then I have this design. I can always duplicate this guy again. Duplicate. You can see I have the second one. So this one will now be, let me change this picture first. Okay. Choose picture. Then let me look for the picture I want to use here, which is, let me see, is it this guy? Not this guy. Is it this guy? Yes, it's this guy. So you can see this one is 12.7, this one is 12.5, and these are different company. So this one I saved them 1.8 million. So this one I saved this company 1.9. Then again, I can, what we did the other time, I can copy this guy, copy, you can see. Then at this point, you want to add new section, this section like this. Then you want to do control paste. It's as simple as that. Then this one, instead of 1.9, I want to change this to, I say this company 1.8 million. I'm going to do the calculation how this is done. But your own goal is for you to be able to, then I want to give it margin top. Okay, just hit on this, come here, advance, then let's unlink it because just want it to apply to top. So I'm giving it 50. You can see it gave it a little bit margin top. So I can add more testimony. People buy with testimony or something. So now look at this. Compare with the landing page you've been seeing. You notice that okay, this one is neat and professional. This one is neat and professional. Okay, so I'm going to be creating. I think with this, you know what to do. You know what to do already. With this, I can continue adding more stuff here. More software, and that is this. That is this. This get access. If you want them to, maybe you want to use Paystack, just make sure that okay, it links back to Paystack. So where they will pay here, you come here, then you send your link, you attach your link here. This is where you attach your link, your paster link. You put it here. If you want them to come to your WhatsApp, just go to your whatsapp.me and follow by your number. You put it there. So people will read about the product and services, okay? They will read about your product, okay? Then they will now link back to this. So you can link your payment information here. Is a Paystack or is a FlutterWave? Depending on the payment or you're using Sailor, you can link it here. And if you want people to come to your WhatsApp, then put your WhatsApp number, WhatsApp.me link. Put it here. When people read about your product, you've created your landing page. When people read about your product and services, then they can come here, click on it. It will take them to where you want it to be. Okay, you take them to where you want it to be. Do you understand? And it's as simple. Just you can see link here. When you click on here, just link here. Then you put the link here. It's as simple as that. So how to put the link is very simple. Let me use my number here. HTTPS. For example, I want to use WhatsApp. Then I want to say HTTPS slash. Then I want to use wa.me / 2348022792012. So it's as simple as that. So when I put a number, I want it to be come here, then I want it to open a new window. Then I want to click on update this guy. So let's see how this guy look. Let me look at this guy on the browser and see. You can see I have this. Watch the free video hour. Okay, watch the free video hour and over 1.5 million naira with just two sample jars. Then I have the video here, YouTube video that say get access now. You can see this, and this is the stuff. Okay, this is the stuff. Okay, then I keep on scrolling down. Okay, my internet is a little bit slow. And I keep on showing down. I know what you can do. You can see I change the background color. You can see how simple this guy, and you see I have the white again. Kind of neat and professional. Most important thing is always make this guy here, this disclaimer, in case you are running advert to this page. Now look at this get access. The moment I click on this get access, what happens is going to open WhatsApp. It's going to open WhatsApp that okay, connect with this person on WhatsApp if that's what you're going to do. Or if you want to link to Paystack, Sailor, FlutterWave, just make sure that you add them. So here you have it. You can see chat on WhatsApp with this person. Then if you click on chat on, it's gonna you can see open WhatsApp, which I don't want to do now. So that is this. Okay, you can see how professional this is. And I'm going to record. Maybe I'm going to record a course on this. I'm going to mention everything on Elementor, everything. With this, you are good to go. Good to go. Keep on designing your landing page. Keep on designing your skills page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a course on this so that I would, from get response for collecting form, from collecting leads, step by step. So if you want to get this, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can just reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let me know if I should go ahead and do this. And I'm going to landing page at the funnel when I will implement get response. Step by step how to use get response so that when people fill in the information, the input, their name and email address, capture the lead, and how all the sales funnel, the process, and how to set up your email marketing so that you'll be sending email to these people, the moment they sign up. So if this is what's going to interest you, and if you want me to create course on this, just reach out to me on WhatsApp or just let me know on the comment section. So I would know if I can just take my time and just go through it. So you see now you get it. This is it. How to create professional landing page. You can see is as simple as that. So there's one thing that I'm missing here. Let me see. Let me see here. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, there is one thing that I'm missing here. It's not compulsory to use, but you can use it. It's called countdown. I think I have the advanced one, premium one that I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you what it is anyway. So this countdown now, I want to, let's say, let me add it to this. I just drag, I drag, then add it to the top of this. Now you can see what happened. 28 days. You can see this time left. Okay, you can see this countdown, but I don't want to use it here. Let me delete this guy here. Let me use it under here, So again, type countdown. Okay, you want to come here. You can see now this is what I have. So first thing I want to do is, hey, this thing due date, I want to use it like evergreen. Evergreen is if you come today, you tell you that okay, it will expire in 1 day. It will expire in, can you see, day. Even if you log out, come another expire in 1 day. This will just give you a sense of okay, hey, you have to hurry up now. Do you understand? So it's just like sales stuff, okay? So the background color, let me change it to black, okay? Let me change it to black. Then I want to change this thing is too big, okay? The font, they are too big. So I want to change the content now a little bit. So, typography, understand typography. Then let's change the content a little bit. I think this is okay. Then the space, this space is kind of the box too big for me. Then I want to come here to the boxes here. Then I want to say, okay, let's first see this guy. Let's bring it down a little bit here. I think this is okay. Then space around. Let's give it a little bit here. Okay, I think this is good. This is good. All right. So here I just want to give it title called or now or something, you know what to do. Count down. Then the title, you want to come here. Let's put it anywhere, maybe under or the top. No, let me drop it at the top. Excuse me. Drop it where you have this blue icon. So I can just say here, hurry before the time, or let's say you can have get access. Okay, get access. Get access before the time hit 0, 0, 0, 0. And again, can you see then put it at the center, put it at the center. Okay, now this a day is too much. Okay, it's too much. This is just for people to take action. Just it's too much. Then I want to come here again, edit this guy. Then let's go to content, then time. It's evergreen. Then you can actually change the date. Hours. Let's say okay, 1 day. Minutes. Block view. Okay, block view is okay. Uh, days. Okay, show days. If I should remove this guy, can you see you just have 23 hour left. 23 hour left. So hours is 47. Okay, so let's change these guys to like, let's say 20. Okay, 20 hour left, or let's say you just want like 5. You can see 5 hours 58 minutes left. In fact, let's change it to 3 hours. No, let's change it to 1 hour. Why am I do? Oh, sorry. Uh, sorry. Let us. Do you know what I want to do here? So let us. You understand what I want to do here? There is something that will make them to take action. So get access before this time hit days. You understand? So already now. So something that will make them to get access. So don't let me let this video to be longer. Oh, undo, Control Z. If you made any mistake, you can do Control Z, Control Z to undo. So I want to change this, undo. So click here, then style. Then I want to change the color to black. As simple as that. Then update. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Look at this information. You already get this type of information, for free out there. So okay, again, if you want to get access to the full course, kindly let me know. So I'm going to go in details, everything you need to know. In fact, you can even do this, learn this skill, then you can start implementing designing landing pages for next others. Just let me know at the comment section. So if you find value on this, kindly hit on like and comment the video or what you want me to upload the next. See you in the comment section.